Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you Revival Camp Kit number 2 of 3 from Illustrated Faith and DaySpring. So let's open it on up. The kit is packaged much the same way as it was last month, with some pink tissue and the Revival Camp sticker for that month. And then inside you've got the kit contents. So first, you start off again with that sticker, and last month I showed you how I repurposed this one for my Revival Camp Traveler's Notebook, along with some of the pink tissue. And so if you use the one that comes with the packaging, it's like getting 2 stickers. How cool is that? One super fun addition to the kit this month is this Revival Camp 2018 keychain. It's like one of those old school motel keychains from Kate at the Adopt Shop, and I love this so much. This is such a fun addition. I have been eyeing these in her shop, and I'm so tickled to have one of my own now. I'm going to go ahead and get this zoomed in for you guys so you can see a little bit better. Next, we have the thank you card from Shauna. And then she gives us the order for the devotionals here too. I don't know about you, sometimes they get out of order. She says, what do we have in our backpacks this month? As always, some amazing devotionals to chew on. This month, Jillian will kick things off to prepare us for a great adventure. Kristen will come along next with suggestions on choosing the right route. Then my friend Amy will teach us how to commit to the path we're on, and Heather's message on courage will definitely give us the motivation to finish strong. She includes the key scriptures there, and then a little handy dandy guide of what's in this kit. And so she goes over each piece that's included that I'll show you here. The first is this washi tape, this pink stripe washi tape. I love the combination of this light pink and this green. That'll be fun to use and put in my traveler's notebook. And while I mention that, let me just give you a peek here. This is available for purchase separately from the devotional kit this month, and it is a craft traveler's notebook with plenty of pages inside. I'll just give you a quick peek here at my first 4. I use the washi along the side. We got a process video for every single one of these pages, so if you're interested in seeing one in particular, I'll go ahead and link each of them in the video description below. So it's gonna be so exciting to add 4 more entries in here. Next up, one of my favorite parts of the kit are the badges. So I've got prepare, and that's right, I wrote the devotional for prepare. So honored to do that and so thankful for the opportunity that Shauna gave me. Then we have route, and these badges are so gorgeous. Commit, I think, was the next one, and then courage. So I'm going to hold these up for you so you can see how beautiful and detailed they are. They are so pretty. Next up, we've got the trail mix. It's a little glassine bag sewn to this card that says he counts the stars. And this is the trail mix for this month. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So we get a bunch of star confetti, and these really cute star clips. It looks like 3 of them and then a bunch of star confetti that I'm not going to get out right now because it's going to get everywhere. But so cute. These would be really cute in a little shaker pocket or something, so they don't get all over the place, but you can still use a lot of them. I mean, there's certainly enough. I have great memories from camp, sitting under the stars, roasting marshmallows for s'mores at the bonfire. Next up are these textured stickers, and I love these hand-drawn stickers. They're so cute. And they're in the Revival Camp colors. So these will be a really fun finishing touch to our pages. Then we get the die cut pieces that you simply punch out of the backer here. The squirrel's so adorable. Just like that. I love the vintage thermoses here. We get the trees again that were found in the stamp set from last month. Similar. some tabs, feathers, and then the stamp set. I'm so glad we're back to the 4x6 stamp set. So you have the layered badges just like last month, and then the words that go along with them. And you've got that adorable squirrel again, the lantern, some arrows, a little like a little washi strip of polka dots here, hearts and flowers, and then a couple phrases taken from my devotional. Give it up, reach up and pray, read up. Just some really fun things to use for our entries this month. And then, of course, we have the devotional content included. And my friends, Kristen, Amy, and Heather totally knocked it out of the park. It was so fun and encouraging to read through what they shared. And don't forget that this is available to access for free on the Illustrated Faith site. They'll post one devotional per week. And I'll go ahead and link that landing page down below if you guys want to check it out. So that's a look at Revival Camp Kit number 2 of 3 from Illustrated Faith. I'm so excited to work through this one and to see how you guys work through it. If you want to check it out, I've got an affiliate link in the video description below. Be sure to use that code for free domestic shipping that's listed down there. Alright, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.